Here at MiniSplitWarehouse.com, we have mini-split systems like this MRCOOL central ducted model, efficient 18 SEER2 system. This central heat pump is rated to negative 22 degrees. Includes indoor air handler and condenser. The air handler is true multi-position, upflow, downflow, or side. Outdoor unit is a side discharge compact system. Add a liftgate delivery or do a terminal pickup. Add heat strips and more accessories. See the on-page description for the specifications, AHRI, and brochure. Visit us at minisplitwarehouse.com or call 877-770-3548.